Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're looking at how to ask for advice and how to give it, a social skill that requires both vocabulary and sensitivity. When asking for advice, you want to be clear about your situation without over-explaining. You might say, "I'm in a bit of a dilemma, can I get your thoughts?" Or, "I'm not sure what to do about this, what would you do in my position?" A dilemma is a situation where you have to choose between two difficult options. Sometimes you want a second opinion, advice from someone else to double-check your thinking. You might say, "I've already spoken to my manager, but I'd love your perspective too." Perspective means the particular way someone sees a situation, based on their experience. When giving advice, there are several useful structures. "If I were you" is very common and sounds natural. "If I were you, I'd take a few days before deciding." "Have you considered" is gentler. "Have you considered speaking to a career advisor?" Why not is casual and friendly. Why not try it for a month and see how you feel? Sometimes you're not confident enough to give strong advice. In that case, you can hedge, soften your advice. You might say, "I'm not sure I'm the best person to ask, but for what it's worth." Or, "This is just my opinion, but." Or, "I might be wrong, but it seems to me that." It's also important to know when not to give unsolicited advice, advice that nobody asked for. If someone is venting or expressing frustration, they might just need to be heard. You can ask, "Do you want advice or do you just need to talk?" Today we covered asking for advice, giving it gracefully, hedging, and knowing when to hold back. Advice is a delicate thing, offer it with care. See you next lesson.